cooking chicken. And take it quickly off the heat. Heat goes. Well, it's getting a bit eaten up. I have to put a little bit of water. Tiny bit of water. That way it won't stick to it. Give that a stir. As it is stirring. So I did half the chicken. This is for the chicken noodle soup. This one is for the stir fry. So you can put in our basics. Keep stirring it. As much as you can. We can put in some of garlic. Can put in some of onion. And some of our ginger. It's going everywhere. Okay. That back in the fridge in a minute. Stir this. Still a bit raw. All these flavors are in there. You can smell the onion, garlic, and ginger. Yeah. Now we can put in the other flavors. We're gonna put in some soy sauce. We're going to put some raisin sauce, which is gluten free. Foot. Now I'm going to mix that. And together. Together, and then we add some salt. not too much. So, the soy salt has got, oh sorry, the soy sauce has got a little soy sauce. The soy sauce has got a little salt in it. So that is cooking. Let's open up our noodles. Okay, what I'm going to do is the other one in a minute. I don't know that one. All our noodles. Get it. All of our noodles in. And I'm making a mess. This ice will be clean tomorrow. Add in our basics first before we add in our flavors. Now we're going to add in our flavors. I'm going to add in some cat. Cat. Not too much. Cat, and gonna put in some oregano. And a bit of rosemary. Okay, I'm gonna let that cook for a bit. Put it on low heat. Be back for part 2, and it's good to clean up after yourself. Some might use that, use that. 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 Okay, we need a container for that. This is perfect. Put it in there. Yeah. Be back for part 2.